Hallo zusammen und herzlich willkommen zurück auf dem Kanal. Today we're diving into an essential part of learning German, masculine nouns. In German, every noun has a gender, masculine, feminine, or neuter. And for masculine nouns, we use the article der. Knowing the gender of a noun from the start is super important, especially for A1 level, because it affects how you use the noun in sentences. So, let's learn 20 common masculine nouns, along with their English meanings. Our first noun is der Mann, the man. Repeat after me, der Mann. Next up, we have der Tisch, the table. Let's practice. Der Tisch. How about der Stuhl, the chair? Say it with me. A very common one, der Baum, the tree. Again, der Baum. For coffee lovers, der Kaffee. Repeat, der Kaffee. One more time, der Hut, the hat. Say it, der Hut. In a city, der Park. Say it, der Park. How you travel, der Bus, the bus. Say it, der Bus. When you need a drink, you might ask for der Saft, the juice. Practice saying der Saft. Moving to the weather, der Regen, the rain. Let's say it, der Regen. In the sky, we often see der Himmel, the sky. Repeat after me, der Himmel. Something you read, der Roman, the novel. Practice, der Roman. Your most important tool, der Computer. Say it clearly, der Computer. Where you live, der Ort, the place. Let's practice, der Ort. For talking on the phone, der Anruf, the call. Repeat, der Anruf. Something you eat, der Apfel, the apple. Say it, der Apfel. How about der Tag, the day? Let's practice, der Tag. A specific time, der Monat, the month. Say it, der Monat. A key object in your pocket, der Schlüssel, the key. Repeat after me. And finally, a great place to buy things, der Laden, the shop, store. Last time, der Laden. Super gemacht. That's 20 essential masculine nouns for your A1 German vocabulary. Remember, whenever you learn a new German noun, learn it with its article, der, die, or das. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy German lessons. Which noun was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Tschüss und bis zum nächsten Mal.